Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine children, and I hope you all are studying as well as helping your parents at home. Children, from my voice you all might have understood that I am Miss Angeline, and today we are going to learn GK lessons 26, 29 and 30. Children, in our previous video we learned lessons 23, 25, 27 and 28. Hope you all might have understood clearly. So now let's start our new lessons. Let's first start with lesson 26. See a pattern. See a pattern. What comes next? Circle the right picture. So children, what you have to do here? You have to find the pattern which will come next, and this is like a game. You have to think nicely before selecting your answer. Understood children? So this page you will do yourself. Understood all of you? Now let's go to lesson 29. And what is that? Hello there. And what you have to do here? The children here are saying hello in their mother tongue. Using the help box, find out what language each one is speaking. Understood children? The children here are saying hello in their mother tongue. Using the help box, you have to find out which language each one is speaking, and here is your help box. Okay, let's start with the first one. Hodi, I am from Kenya. I speak Swahili. Swahili is here. Then Moshi Moshi, I am from Japan. I speak Japanese. Ciao, I am from Italy and I speak Italian. Bonjour, I am from France. I speak French. Okay children? Guten Tag, I am from Germany. I speak German. Then Alan, I am from Egypt. I speak Arabic. Then Aloha, I am from Hawaii. I speak Hawaiian. Ni hao, I am from China. I speak Mandarin. Selamat datang, I am from Malaysia. I speak Malay. Hola, I am from Argentina. I speak Spanish. So children, learn these words hello said in different languages and write in your notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Have you all understood? Now let's go to another chapter, that is lesson 30, tasty snacks. Wow, so many delicious tasty food items here, and these all are snacks. And what is a snack? A snack is a light food item eaten between meals. Understood children? A snack is a light food item eaten between meals. Remember that snack is not a meal, but it is a light food item. Okay? So children, what you have to do here? You have to write down the names of different items. Okay? So this one, that is your first one, number A, you will do directly in your book. I know You all might have eaten these snacks and you all also know the name of these snacks. So now you can take the help of this this help box to write down the spelling correctly. Okay, children? So now let's go to B. Are these snacks sweet or savory? List in the correct group. Children, these are all Indian snacks. And you all know the names of these items. So what you have to do here, you will pick names of sweet items and savory items, and accordingly you have to write names of the items given over here. Again, this is also easy and interesting work. So you will do this work yourself. Okay, children? So children, your today's work is you will write lesson 29 hello there in your rough notebook. Okay, children? Have you all understood clearly? Now all of you start your work in good handwriting. Lesson 26 and lesson 30 you will do yourself. Okay, children? Take care of yourself. Don't go outside. Play with your brother and sister. Help your parents and love your grandparents. Take care.